Number 2, Emil Grande. Number 3, Felix Student. Number 13, Antonio. Number 7, Vicente Mojo. Number 8, Harris Rodon. Number 10, Wallace Lamadura. Number 11, Joshua Chua. Number 13, Ashton Serrano. Number 14, Rachel Capulan. Number 17, Thomas Colgado. Number 18, Bryce Romini. Number 19, Ricardo Reynado. Number 20, Chris Televerse. And number 21, MJ Lazaro. The head coach is Tony Valena. Make some noise now for your Santella Red Cross. Number 0, Santi Pizon. Number 3, LeBron Benitez. Number 5, James Sancho. Number 6, Patrick Picasso. Number 7, Sia Coronel. Number 9, Mahoy Pascual. Number 14, Dennis Enzario. Number 18, Luis André. Number 20, San Enrique. Number 24, Nani Marana. Number 26, Reyes Estrao. Number 27, David Solas. Number 29, Rash Reagan. Number 30, Lawrence Cordia. Number 34, Philip Ong. And number 77, Sam Acera. Your head coach is Arthur.
Number 18, dribbling the ball to number 13. Wala. On number 27 from Ayak. First opening pass to number 3. To number 7. Shout out guys, sir. Shout out. Number 27 for 3, wala. Foul committed by number 18 of Jose Rizal University. Shout out sa mga checker. Sir, shout out. Oh, number 13. Oy. 27. Wala. Ay, ayun. Naka-pink. Oh, lahat sila eh. Ay. Oh, pareho. Lahat pink. So, 13. Number 13. Ginugulo ni number 27. Oh, umikot. Pinasa kay number 18 for 3. Ang galing. Oh, walang ano. Galing. Remaining playing time 7 minutes and 14 for the first quarter. Number 18, pinas. Oh, wala. 34 to number 7. Jersey ni ano yan? Ni Jaworski, number 7. Si number 18, the MVP. To number 20. Pinasa kay number 13. Up. Foul committed by number 34. Ong. Pushing foul. First team foul. Santeda. 13 on the free throw line. First attempt. Wala. Second attempt is number 13. Hop. Pasok. Sarmiento.
Jurassic. Jurassic Valley, number 26, Larry Central, his first blue on the red cup.
Number 20. Wala. Bound by 34. 4.
Good ball.
Narinig ko yung... Naka-video ko, narinig ko yung mura niyo. Number 13. Wala. Nakuha ni number 27 of Eya. San Beda ba? San Beda. O, dinediretso. Ay, wali. Buwakaw ni number 27. The MVP. 18. Looking for a shooting pass to number 20. For 3, wali. Okay, up. Same ball. 12 shot. 12 shot clock.
12 seconds on the shot clock.
9 shot clock. Oy. Time remaining 5 minutes and 5. Ayun. Okay. Ball.
Thomas Rodell, coming for the Unicorns. Bonus rebound for the Broncos.
Numbers. Ay, wala. Rebound. Okay, there's a whistle. Foul by number 26.
Coming down to number 26, Larry Central.
Okay lang, sir.
Substitution
Okay lang.
for the Red Hawks.
Sir, dito.
Good rebounds for Davidson.
Sige, sir. Check pa na.
Hindi na makadaan ng mga tao.
First attempt wala. Nasa free throw si number 3 of GRU.
Ano?
Time remaining 4 minutes and 44. Second attempt, pasok. Tubig. Ang kanyang apelyido po guys ay Tubig. Bola ng San Beda. To number 7. Number 7, Jaworski. Mr. Coronel got his 2 points. Number 18 for 3 ulit. Wala. Nakuha ni number 30. Okay. Foul by number 3. Substitution.
Substitutions for the Unicorns in the Red Hawks. Good free throws for Lawrence Robert.
Act of shooting po kasi. Okay. Pasok ang unang free throw. Numero 30, si Kopya. Time remaining 4 minutes. Okay, pasok pa rin ang pangalawa. For the first quarter. Oh, wala. 8 seconds. Hindi na-release ang bola. Ano yun?
Number 6. Number Renato gets it first.
Kuya po.
Well,
San Beda. Saka Jose Rizal. Number. Oy! Ala! Wag mo'y pilit! Ay! Same ball. 10 to shoot.
10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
For 3, wala. Airball. Airball. Ayan na si number 14. Pinasa kay number 29. Woo!